तो गाइस आज मैं आपके साथ एक न्यू टोकन लेके आया हूँ जिसका नाम है डॉल्फिन। तो ये बहुत अच्छा टोकन है, इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नहीं हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दे, वीडियो को लाइक दें और साथ ही पहले दबा दें ताकि फ्यूचर में आने वाली वीडियो आप तक बहुत जल्दी पहुँच सके। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वेलकम टू डॉल्फिन। डॉल्फिन DLPN is a decentralized token. The spread of course bridge technology can make easy money transfer between all blockchains with DLPN token, Dolphin tokens. We recommended that you read that white paper carefully. आप ये वाइट पेपर केयरफुली रीड कर सकते हैं और BSC स्कैन पे भी जा सकते हैं। बाय 50 एक्स्ट्रा ये मैं आपको बताता हूँ। आप देख सकते हैं ये ecosystem. Dolphin was first created in BSC for making ICO. The goal of DLPN is to be a decentralized, community-driven, fully transparent token that facilitates cryptocurrencies transfer using a cross-bridge. Our goal is to present a project with real functionality to the blockchain community. Dolphin sports our token and a DLPN swap when we created it will provide a facility to easily exchange all cryptocurrency at coin and not tokens on a decentralized platform. No matter what blockchain the cryptocurrency are produced on, you can perform ट्रांजैक्शन विद DLPN टोकन। आप ये सब कुछ पढ़ सकते हैं। DLPN स्वैप 1, DLP NFT मार्केट, DLP गेम ब्लिंग, DLP डैप गेम्स, DLPN cross chain bridge. Why choose us? Our main feature. It is good to remind it. The strength of our project comes from the community that support us. The faster our community develop, the faster the platform of your project are prepared and developed. You can easily transfer DLPN token between blockchain. An equal number of 7 billion DLPN token were created on all blockchains. Addiction in simultaneous correction 7 billion coin on 2 different blockchains cannot circulate at the same time. So 1 DLPN token is equal to 1 DLPN in all networks. Example, if you want to transfer 3 DLPN token from BEP20 network to TRC20 network cross-chain platform, token 3 DLPN BEP20 bracket token from you and gives 3 DLPN TRC20 token instead. Instant transaction, you can make fast transfer. Flexibility, all Dolphin token are completely flexible. Cross-bridge blockchain technology. Thanks to cross-bridge blockchain technology, you can easily transfer DLPN token between blockchain community originated for the rapid growth of our community. We have prepared 10% of the totally supplies $49 million airdrop with an ICO sale of price of $0.007. Decentralized platform. All DLPN platform are not owned by any company, fund or prison. It has a team of their developers but no owner, only community member with DLPN token have a say in DLPN project. DLPN voting developed. If member of community want a new idea or a new platform, we will initiate facilitate a vote in the community. If the idea is voted positive by the community, our software team will roll up their sleeves to prepare the project. Loss cost आप ये सब कुछ पढ़ सकते हैं. टोकन प्राइस देख सकते हैं. ICO 0.007%, 1 BUSD is equal to 142.857 tokens. आप देख सकते हैं 50% एक्स्ट्रा bonus for airdrop. 4.9 million. Fill out the form. आप ये सब कुछ पढ़ सकते हैं. How to buy DLPN. Token sale ends in day 78 hour 3 minute 53 second 33% holder. What action we will take if Dolphin price drops suddenly? We have considered several ways to protect the price of DLPN tokens from sudden drops. आप देख सकते हैं ये सब कुछ. Our community is growing every day and we want you to be a part of it. We love and appreciate all of your Dolphin DLPN community member, and we cannot wait to start an amazing journey together. Join us now. Official hashtags of the community: hashtag Dolphin, hashtag Dolphin token, hashtag Dolphin token. Official mail info @DLPN.io, Telegram, Twitter. आप इन्हें Reddit, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, CoinMarketCap, Coin Economics. आप यहाँ पे इन्हें फॉलो कर सकते हैं. Dex very soon, wallets very soon, partners, CoinPaper, Coin Codes, Nomics. Awesome team, join us and let's develop the DLPN token together. People from different countries who want to work with us should contact info@DLPN.io. Reminds IVAS की देख सकते हैं. फाउंडर कंट्री आप ये सब कुछ देख सकते हैं. Our ICO roadmap. The rapid realization of the transactions on the roadmap is related to the fast running time of ICO and airdrop. For now, you are only seeing the roadmap. After ICO and airdrop, we will post the full map when you revamp our website. आप देख सकते हैं ये चीज़ें. तो अब हम ऊपर जाते हैं. अब आप देख सकते हैं. तो गाइस आज की वीडियो हम यहीं पे ख़त्म करते हैं. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.